Sincere thanks to our Czech customers for their trust in EagerLED and your choice to purchase our EA500C3 80-piece P2.97 outdoor LED rental display, which together form an eye-catching LED cube screen. This cooperation is a valuable opportunity for us and the highest affirmation of our unremitting pursuit of excellence. Your choice is an affirmation of our technical strength and product innovation, and is also the greatest encouragement to our team's hard work. The EA500C3 outdoor LED rental display is highly praised for its excellent technical performance and engaging visual effects, and we are honored by your trust. We will continue to provide you with the most advanced LED display products and excellent services to ensure that your LED cube screen displays excellent results in various occasions. Looking forward to the future, we hope to create more wonderful cooperation times together.